Shift Slim is marketed as a body-shaping solution that instantly makes you look slimmer under clothing. But the real question is whether it actually works or just relies on clever presentation. Now, the idea behind this isn't fake. Compression shapewear has been around for years and can visually smooth and contour your body. That part is real. However, here's the key point. It changes how you look, not your actual body. What it actually does well: instant slimming effect. Compression fabric can flatten the stomach, smooth lines, and create a tighter silhouette under clothes. Improves outfit fit. Clothing often looks more fitted and structured when worn over shapewear. Temporary confidence boost. Many people feel more confident due to the smoother appearance. Where it falls short: no real fat loss. It does not burn fat or reduce weight. Any slimming effect disappears once you take it off. Comfort issues. Tight compression can feel restrictive, especially for long wear. Breathability concerns. Lower quality versions may trap heat and feel uncomfortable. Sizing matters a lot. Wrong size equals either no effect or too tight to wear. So, do they help you look thinner? Short answer: yes, but only temporarily. Creates a slimmer appearance while wearing it, but it does not change your body permanently. Bottom line: Shift Slim isn't a scam, but it's also not magic. It's essentially standard shapewear with marketing around it. If you understand that it's purely for appearance, it can be useful. If you expect real body changes, it will disappoint. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.